GMC has done a lot of academic progress during my tenure. So this report was submitted to the global healthcare community, and they found that the progress made by GMC, especially in academic field and in increasing UG seats, postgraduate seats, plus starting of new departments, because of which I think they have selected me as the best academic team in the country.
सर वर्साच्या सुरवाती एक बरी खबर कळ्ळी तुमकां वर्स सुरू जाला कितें नवीन संकल्प GMCन कितें न्यू
अपग्रेडेशन बी कितें करपाचें अशें
आमी आतां
विचार
खूब अपग्रेडेशन जावपाचें आसा. इनफॅक्ट वी आर ट्रायंग टू पुट 3 centers of excellence. Now centers of excellence are best centers in the country, better than the renowned institutions. Like we are trying to put 3 centers of excellence. One is gastroenterology, second is endoscopic skull base surgery, and the third one is hand surgery. So for this we have tied up with HN Reliance Hospital. We also tied up with one Swedish company for hand surgery unit.
What is exactly hand surgery? Hand surgery?
Hand surgery unit means reconstruction of damaged hands, and so all kinds of hand surgery, especially for patients who are suffering from severe hand injuries, then patients who are born with hand defect, congenital hand defect. So these reconstructions will be done by the Center of Excellence for Hand.
केन्ना कोण सुरू जातलें?
In fact, we had one camp, and now the second camp is somewhere in this month.
सर
So a
IVF
team of 5 people are coming, surgeons from abroad.
ओके.
सर IVF is like new born.
IVF is really doing very well. We had one first test tube baby delivered, and 13 people are become positive now, pregnancy positive, who were really struggling to get pregnant. And our center has done very nice, and we have registered 50 sterile couples, primary sterility, and we are happy, and we are also very confident that we will do better in days to come.
So any update on the CCTV? Last time there was a lot of issue regarding the security.
Robbery and all.
No, CCTVs all have been made active, and we are installing new CCTVs in the isolated areas. So everything will be covered up.
Sir, ID card for caretaker.
ID card caretaker proposal already approved by the government, and very soon medical superintendent will implement this program.
Thank you, sir.